Have you ever wanted to control another PC directly from your laptop or desktop without installing any extra software? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that using a built-in Microsoft feature called Windows Remote Desktop. Remote Desktop lets you view and control another computer's screen easily, right from your own device. No third-party tools, no downloads, just Windows doing the work. Make sure you watch the video all the way through so you don't miss any steps. Now, let's jump straight into the process and get started. This is my main PC running Windows 11, and I'm going to access my laptop, which is running Windows 10. Before we connect, we need to tweak a few settings on the system we want to access first. Now, I'm on my second laptop. First, open Settings. Then go to System. Scroll down and click on Remote Desktop. Finally, turn on the Remote Desktop option to enable the connection. Now, our Remote Desktop is enabled. Next, we need to allow Remote Desktop through the firewall. Sometimes the Windows firewall can interfere with the Remote Desktop connection and block it from working properly. Open Search and type Firewall. Click on Allow an app through Windows Firewall. Click Change Settings at the top. Scroll down and find Remote Desktop. Enable it for both private and public networks. If you see Remote Desktop, WebSocket, enable that too. Once done, click OK to save. Now the firewall won't block the connection. Next, we need the IP address of the Windows 10 machine. Open Search and type CMD. Open Command Prompt. Type ipconfig and press Enter. Look for the IPv4 address of the network you're currently using. Since I'm connected to Wi-Fi, I'll copy the IPv4 address listed under it. Note down this IP address carefully, as we need it in our next step. Now, go to your first PC again. Go to Windows Start menu and search for Remote Desktop. And open it. Now enter your IP address here that we saw in our second PC. And click on Connect. If you're logging in for the first time, you'll need a username and password. If you're using a Microsoft account, use the same email and password you normally sign in with. If you're using a local account, the username is the one shown in your settings, and the password is your lock screen password. After that, your second PC's screen will appear on your main PC. From here, you can fully control it. You can switch to full screen, minimize it, explore files, open settings, and do pretty much anything you want. You also won't notice any lag or delay. This method has one limitation. It only works when both PCs are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If you try to connect from outside that network, it won't work. However, there is another method that lets you control a PC from anywhere in the world. You can learn how to do that by watching the video on the channel. If this video helped you, give it a like and consider subscribing for more simple and useful Windows tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.